At 2:13 a.m., Mia's phone buzzed. A notification from her doorbell camera.
Person detected.
But when she opened the live view, no one was there. Just an empty porch. She checked the saved clip. 12 seconds long. She pressed play. Static at first. Then a distorted voice whispered,
"Let me in, Mia."
Her heart dropped. Only one person ever called her that, and he'd been dead for 7 years. She deleted the clip instantly, but her phone buzzed again.
Video saved to cloud backup.
A new notification appeared.
"I'm already inside."
The story isn't over. Hit like and subscribe for the next part.